Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Britax Grow with You Harness-2-Booster car seat, a versatile 2-in-1 high-back booster designed to grow with your child from toddler to big kid. This durable car seat supports a forward-facing minimum weight of 25 pounds and a maximum weight of 65 pounds, with a height range from 34 to 49 inches, and can accommodate up to 120 pounds in booster mode. The Britax Grow with You makes adjustments a breeze with its 9-point harness and headrest that you can modify with just one hand, eliminating the need for rethreading. Installation is quick and easy thanks to the Quick-push LATCH connectors and color-coded belt guide, ensuring a secure fit every time. Safety is paramount with Britax, featuring a high-strength steel frame, crumple zone, patented V-shaped tether, and 2 layers of energy management for ultimate protection. Comfort isn't compromised either, with premium padding, stay-put harness pads, and 2 recline positions to ensure a cozy ride, plus 2 convenient cup holders for drinks and snacks. And when it's time for cleanup, the machine-washable cover makes maintenance simple, keeping your car seat looking fresh and new. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.